Running a YouTube channel isn't just pressing record. It's managing sponsor contracts, tracking scripts, drafts, and making sure you don't miss a deadline for a brand deal. Most creators use four different apps for this and they pay for all of them. Today I'm showing you how I moved my entire production workflow into Odoo 19's community version, which is free, integrated, and it's going to make your creator business actually feel like a business. So for this, you can make use of the project module, the CRM module and all. I'll come to it. So the very first thing is consider your video as a project. Okay. So you can actually create a project here, then create subtask and move on. So before moving on to that, let me teach you another thing. Okay. So if you are a content creator, you may be making money from brand deals. So it's your revenue and it's important that you track them. Otherwise, you will be losing your money, right? So for this, we can use our CRM module. So first of all, I'm going to the CRM module, and in the CRM, you are going to create a new opportunity. So opportunity, I'm going to name it as brand. So here we have the name as brand, and I'm setting a company also. Let it be Gemini. Okay. And here you can specify the revenue that you are going to earn from the company. Okay. So let it be 2000. I'm setting a priority for this and adding it. So right now we have created a new opportunity which is called brand. Okay. Now let's open the opportunity and here you can see quotation. Okay. We are going to create a quotation. Right now we have created an opportunity for the sponsor. And then if you want, you can attach your media kit and all inside the charter. So here you have the charter. It's easy for you all to attach the files. So I'm canceling it. And then you have an option which is the quotation. So in Odoo, you can actually link the CRM directly to your production project. I'm going to the quotations over here and going to create a new one. So as soon as you click on new, you can see the customer details have already filled up and then comes the product. So while choosing the product, you have to make sure you have created a service product. So if I just open the internal link, here you have the product type as service and create an order. On confirming it to a sale order, you have to create a task and a project. So if you want, you can rename the product. So I'm naming it as new features. Okay, and here comes the project template. So I've already set a project template which is called YouTube. This is how the project will look like. Nothing else. I just named it. That's it. Okay. So let it be new features. I'm marking it as favorite so that it can be easily accessed. So here comes the new features. The quantity and all is here. Everything is done. Now let's go on and click confirm. Okay. So as soon as I click confirm, you can see one project and one task is created. So going to the project, you can see a project named YouTube is right now created. So we'll do one thing. We'll go directly to the project module and open it. Okay. So here you can see it has been linked to the brand deal that we have created right now. Okay. So let's open the YouTube and here you can see the task that has been created. So this is how you can connect your brand deal towards creating the project and task. Okay. So otherwise, what happens? You can directly create a new project from here. Click on new and I'm going to name it as videos. I'm making it billable and I'm creating a project. So my project is video and there have to be certain stages inside your project, right? So stages in the sense you can have stages like idea. So the very first thing is idea that I'm putting. Then after getting an idea what you're going to do, you are going to create or develop a script. Okay. Script out of the idea. So I'm creating one stage called scripting. Then after the script is complete, what you're going to do is you're going to film it. So I'm putting the third stage as filming and then comes the important part of the video which is editing. And after editing, your video is now ready to publish. So I'm putting it as published. So making these stages will give you or help you to keep track of whatever stage your current video is lying. So I'm going to create a new video here, which is new features of Odoo 19. Okay. And then I'm adding an assignee, which is Michelle Edmin, and I'm adding. Okay. So a new task has been created. Now, if there is any shot or any shot that you don't want to miss or any feature that you don't want to miss and you're sure you're going to forget it, then you can create a subtask. So I'm giving the name as feature A. Sorry, feature A. Okay. And then I'm saving it. So this is the subtask that you've created for the task. And here you can see the subtask, whether it's completed or not. Then you can set priority for it. Okay. So from idea, I am changing it to the next stage, which is scripting. Okay. So using Odoo's, text editor, that too inside the community, you can easily write the script inside the task itself. So here is the description. And if you simply type this slash, you will get the text editor from here, which is a very decent and it doesn't look like it's of the community. Okay, this is exactly what you get inside the enterprise itself. So here you can use all these features to complete and write up your script. Okay, so if you have an editor or a script writer, you can both work on document at the same time. And the template that it has sections for the hook, like those sections can be given over here. And the outro, the new video starts with one click, all such things can be given over here. Like interesting scripting. Like I don't have to teach you all how to write a script, right? So this is where you can specify your script. Okay. And then comes the business side. Now, obviously, for this, you will be having certain invoices and the expenses and all. Okay. So you can snap a photo of your receipt for your new microphone or your camera, lenses, light, whatever it is, and you can log it to Odoo. Okay. So you aren't digging the shoe boxes, you are hitting the export. So once this scripting is done, you can save it and then change the stages likewise. Okay. Now, if you want to manage with the expenses, go to the expense module, and from here you can actually set up or create a new expense. So for that you can upload, you can take the photo or create a new one from here, specify the description. So I am putting new lenses or lens. Okay. So for this, you can actually create a new expense and save it. Like if you are working for an organization and all, in such case, you can actually use this particular thing to manage your expense. So I'm putting it as expense and save it. Okay. And similarly, you can, like, once the video is live, you can go to the sponsor CRM card and click on create the invoice. Okay. So invoice can also be created. Now, here is the CRM. And where is our sponsor? This is the sponsor, right? Brand. And from here, once you complete the quotation, what you can do is you can create the um what no, it's an order right now. Okay. So you can create the invoice from here and complete the procedure with the brand so that you get the payment also. So once all of this is done, okay, you have now did the invoicing, the the expenses and all such things. Let's go to the project. Okay, once all this is done, the big picture comes here, which is the creator dashboard. So the best part of all-in-one system is that the dashboard. So Odoo has another interesting thing which is called the dashboard, in which you can actually view all the things which are happening inside your module. So here you have the services, which is project, under which you can see the top projects. Okay, what is happening to each of the project, and see, I've opened the project, the task by state. All these things can be seen easily just by taking a look at the dashboard. Okay, so for the first time, you can see your entire channel's health in one particular screen, and you know exactly how many videos are in progress and how much money is spending. So that is peace of mind, right? For content creators, this might be very much relatable. Okay. So if you want, if you want to know more about this, please do comment below what your questions are. I'll be happy to answer that for you all. So let's stop the chaos and start the system. If this helped you, hit the like button. Next time I'm showing you the automation tricks, obviously, please wait for that. And this is going to save a lot of time for you. So till that time, let's stop the video. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.